Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. I hope I'm audible, visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly, everyone. Just a very quick yes or no. Just a very quick yes or no. Everybody, just a very quick yes or no. If I'm audible or visible. If I'm audible as well as visible, right? I hope I'm audible. Chalo, sir. Then let's start with this week's mock analysis. So first question right in front of you guys. Let us just start with this. Chalo, sir. First one, we will do this. We'll do the analysis very quickly. Thank you, Satish. Thank you so much. First one, the inner circumference given 6-meter wide track, the outer diameter. Okay, sir. So inner circumference meaning that this the circle is like the track is like this, somewhat like this, sir. Right? So inner circumference we can figure out. So if I take this as r, inner circumference will be 2 pi r, meaning 44 by 7 into r, which is 176. This is 4 times, sir. So r is 28. So this is 28, meaning this is 34. Diameter will be, sir, diameter, like 34 double 68, sir, option C. Option C, 68, without a doubt, again, 20 seconder. 20 seconder at most, right? First question, pretty easy one. Pretty easy, sir. Next one, please. Sir, X attempts 94 questions and gets 141 marks. For every correct answer, 4 marks given and 1 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. Number of questions wrongly answered. Again, there are two ways to do it, sir. Either you can go by options. The easiest one, logically easiest one will be to go by options. So if I take the first option, let's say 45. So right and wrong. So 45, if it is wrong, sir, total 94 questions. So how many right? Sir, 45, 45, 90. So 49 is wrong, sir. Sorry, right? Because 49 plus 45, that will become, sir, like 94. So here he will get this much plus, this is minus. Let's calculate this. This is 200 minus 4, sir. That is 196 minus 45. Is it 140, 141? 141 got? Yes, 141. So this is 1 here, 19, this is, sir, 151 I'm getting. I'm getting 151. Just a second. Have I done any mistake? 50 into 4, just a second, I'm not sure. 140, yes, sir, 196, 45, sir, 1, and sir, 50. No, sir, 151. So this is not your correct answer. This is not your correct answer. So again, let's check the second one. Let's check the second one. So again, if it is 47 here, if it is 47 here, please understand. So this will be, if it is 47, meaning 2 more, this will be 2 less. So this will also become 47. So again, 47 into 4, 40. So ultimately it is 47 into 3, sir. 47 into 3, if you do, 120, and this is, sir, 141. So that has to be my answer, option number B. That's the correct answer, sir. That is your correct answer. But again, this is trial and error. Sometimes it might take you a little longer time, right? So is there any other way, sir, logically? If somebody is willing, ki, sir, I'm okay with thinking a little logical way. Yes, there is another way. Think. Let's say, sir, 94 questions, all 94 questions, the person, this particular person has attempted correctly. So how much marks he or she can get? 94 into 4. That is, if he gets everything correct. So that means this is 4 nines are 36 and sir 16. So 376 marks. Done. Now, but again, he has got 141. Meaning he has got, sir, how much less he has gotten? So this is 5 here, this is 3 here, and this is 2 here. So 235 marks less he has got. 235 marks less he has got. Now ask yourself the question, sir, why he has gotten 235 marks less? The answer to this why you will get, sir, for every wrong answer, what is happening? Please understand. He is losing 4 marks, which I have taken as he has gotten those 4 marks because he has got that correct. But again, if he is giving a one wrong answer, he is losing that 4 marks, also getting a 1 mark deduction. So for every wrong answer, he is getting actually 5 marks deducted. Actual deduction is 235. So how many wrong answers, sir? 235 by 5. 5 fours are this, 5 sevens are this. 47 wrong answers. So you can do it like this. That way you don't need to check the options. You will get the answer at 47 directly. Clear, everyone? Clear? Acha, I'm having a little issue like health wise. So again, my like gala is not correct. So again, if you don't hear anything, now please let me know. I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it. Sir, next one, please. Next one, please. 3 pipes can together fill a tank in 1 hour 40 minutes. Pipe A can fill in this. C can empty in this. Okay, chalo. Sir, ratio. A plus B plus C given time ratio is given as 60 plus 40 meaning 100. 60 plus 40 given meaning, sir, 100 minutes. Again, plus minus we'll see later. Pipe C can empty in 3 hours meaning 180 minutes. So again, sir, 0 0 gone. So 2 5s are this, 2 9s are this. Correct? So efficiency ratio will be 9:5, sir. Efficiency ratio will be 9:5. Meaning A is filling A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is filling 9 liters of water, out of which C is emptying 5 liters of water. So one thing I missed, that was A was given also. A was given. My mistake, sorry. Let's take A as well, huh? Let's take A as well. My mistake. Let's do the calculation once again. My mistake. I missed this. Just a second, huh? I missed this. So this was 180, this was 100, and this was 45. I missed this. So 5, if you do, this is 36, this is 20, this is 9. So do this. So 36 liters A plus, sorry. This is the time ratio, right? This is the time ratio. This is given to us time ratio. So again, so find the efficiency ratio. This is TR. So again, it will be a little calculative. No worries. Sir, instead of 36, multiply the other two. This is 180, sir. Instead of 20, multiply the other two. This will be 360 minus 36, which is 324. Multiply the other two for 9. So 36 twos are 720, sir. Again, let's calculate whatever we can. 18 is at 10. 18 18s are this. 18 40s are this. So again, 2 5s, 2 9s, 2 20s. Acha, got it. So A plus B plus C is actually 5 liters. A plus B plus C is 5 liters. Now C, out of that, C is doing what, sir? C is letting out 9 liters of water. Here I am taking, you see, minus 9. And A is plus 20. A is filling the tank. So A can be plus 20. So meaning B is also an outlet, because total otherwise it cannot be 5. So 9 and this has to be like B and C total must be 15. That's why 20 minus 15 is 5. So meaning this has to be minus 6 liters per hour or per minute actually. Correct? Everything is in per minute. This is the situation. Now they are asking in which of the following statement is true for pipe B. Acha. Chalo, let's see, sir. What is true for B? Sir, B is efficiency, I know. Acha, total volume of the tank, you can figure out from anything. So A plus B plus C is filling 5 liters a minute. And they are taking Total how much time, sir? 180 minutes to fill the tank, sir. Total 180 minutes. So this is the total volume, sir. Now this volume will be emptied at the rate of 6 liters a minute. So this will be 30, meaning B will take 150 minutes. 150 minutes meaning 2.5 hours, sir. So B can empty the whole tank in 2.5 hours. Sir, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. It's a little on the calculative side, a little bit. But again, it's okay. Not very much. Not very much. Next one, sir. Next one, please. Everybody. Percentage calculation. Price of petrol. Sir, consumption based question. Simple one. Additional expenditure he can do is only 20%. Sir, reduction in the percentage reduction. Sir, we know one thing. Sir, any consumption based question is based on one principle itself. Ki, sir, expenditure is equal to price into its consumption. Price of any commodity into consumption. Chalo, let's figure out, sir. Price into consumption is equal to expenditure. Sir, initial is there, final is there. Chalo. Sir, what happened? Price increased by 30%, meaning if the price was 10 rupee, now it is 13 rupees. Sir, expenditure can only be increased by 20%, meaning if it was 10, now it can become only 12. Sir, what about then consumption, sir? Let's understand. Consumption must then be expenditure by price. Expenditure by price, 10 by 10, that is 1 here. Here 12 by 13, sir. This is my ratio, sir. If I write it correctly, it will become 13 is to 12. So reduction of 1 out of 13 into 100. 1 by 13 meaning 7.69%. That's my answer, sir. Option number C itself. Option number C itself, sir. Again, everyone, anyone having any doubts? Anybody having any doubts whatsoever? Done, done, done. Clear, sir? Clear? Done. Chalo then. Next, please. Next, please, sir. So, greatest 4-digit number divisible by 12, 20, 25. Again, go by options. Which one is the greatest option? 996. 9960 is not divisible by 25. Because 25 divisibility means last two digits must be 25, 50, 75 or 00. Meaning this is not. Second largest option is this. It is divisible by 25. Is it divisible by 20? Yes, sir. Is it divisible by 12? Yes, sir. Sir, this is my answer. This is my answer, sir. Just go by options in these situations. That's the best way. Done, sir. Moving on, sir. They are saying what? Base area is this, curved surface area. Acha, sir. Again, from this value, it's very quite clear they are not asking us to like kind of calculate. And look at one thing, 22 by 7 it's given. This is a major indicator that they are asking us to check for a multiple of 22, meaning multiple of 11. Now, why we can do that? Because you see, all 4 options are integers. Meaning, if this is an integer, it must be a multiple of 11. Let's check. 2282, sir, this is not a multiple of 11. 2424, definitely not a multiple of 11. This is -1, sir, definitely not. Sir, this is definitely a multiple of 11. This is 0. So that is my correct answer. I don't need to solve this question. Because this is giving me the idea, sir, like nobody in their right mind will ask us to calculate this. To calculate this. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. And again, once you solve 100 such questions, then only you'll have the confidence to mark it like this. Otherwise, in the actual exam, you will never have the confidence to do it like this, no matter what you did, no matter who has told you. You have to do it, do 100 questions like this by, by your own hand. Then only you'll have the confidence. Sir, next one, please. Next one, sir. V is given. Chalo, let's see. This is 15. Sir, 15, 3s are this. एक second, sir. अरे, this is why I'm writing 15. मैं पूरा पागल हो गया क्या? Sorry. Extremely sorry, sir. Extremely sorry. Yeah. This is 9, right? So 9 5s are this. 5 gone. This is gone. So V is 2, sir. 1/4 of this 100. This is also 100. So U is 200, sir. Sir, U minus V is 198, sir. Option C. Option C, sir. Again, a couple of lines. Couple of lines only. You don't need anything, sir. You do not need to do much. Chalo, next one. Solid cone, this melted and recasted, meaning volume same. Volume of the cone is equal to volume of the pyramid. Chalo, 1/3 pi r square h. Acha, pyramid doesn't have a pi, so again I'll put 22/7. So radius of the base is 14. R square into h is 24. So volume of the cone is equal to 1/3. Pyramid equilateral triangle is the base. So √3/4 into what is the base, the height, like the side. Acha, they are asking us to find the side. So let's take that a, sir. So a square, height is 77 √3. Perfect, sir. 1/3 and 1/3 gone. So this is 2. 22. This is 2, sir. 11s. This is 7. 7. This is 2. Correct. √3 and √3. This is 3, sir. 3 8s are this. Can I do anything more? Don't think so. So a square is, for these two, I'll not write a square, I'll directly write a. Huh? A is, for these two 2's, I'll take 1. 16, sir, I'll take 4. For this 4, I'll take a 2. So 4 4s are 16, sir. That's the question. That's my answer, option C. That is my answer, option number C. So you see, you just put one line of equation and do a little bit of calculation. That was all that was required. That was all that was required, sir. Next one, sir. Boys, girls, average, sir, weighted average question. Simple expression of weighted average. Chalo, again, boys and girls. Number of boys are X and girls are Y. Girls are A years. Again, don't make that mistake. And this is B years. So BX plus AY by X plus Y, sir. That's my answer. BX plus AY, sir, option number B. Option number B. Nobody can say, sir, this is very difficult. Simple, the basic expression of weighted average. Total of boys, total of girls by total students. Sum by n is average. Clear, everyone, I hope? Next one, please. They have given us something like this. 2 tan x plus this. Acha, sir. This is tan x. Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Right? So again, if I take this to this side, it will become √5 minus 2, tan common, okay, into tan x is equal to cot x. So do one thing, sir. I can either take it to this side, but again, I'm choosing not to. I'm taking this to this side and this to this side. So tan square x is 1 by this. Now again, why did I do that? Because they are asking us to find tan square x, not cot square x. This is very simple because gap is 1. So this will be directly √5 plus 2. Right? Option number A is the answer, sir. Option number A is 120% your correct answer. Because Gap of root 5 square minus 2 square is 1. So meaning rationalization will be by 1. So which is nothing but like root 5 plus 2 itself. Next one, please. Again, sir. Partnership. Vishal and Vinod. अच्छा percentage दे दिया sir. Calculate if this one. Vishal, Vinod. 12,000 नहीं 15,000 नहीं. 12 rupees, 15 rupees. 3 rupees. Okay. So Vishal started with 12 rupees. Vinod started with 15 rupees. Now what happened? Achha, after 3 years, total 3 years. After 1 year, so this went on for the first year. Achha. Next, what happened, sir? Vishal withdrew P%. P% withdrawn means, sir, 100 minus P% now will be there by 100. Correct? This is there. This is there. Okay? For how many years, sir? Total 3 years, 1 year gone, meaning it is there for 2 years. Plus, and this is 15, acha, Vinod added 3 rupees, meaning now it is 18 rupees for the next 2 years. Next 2 years. Now, this is the ratio, this profit sharing ratio at the end of the day, it is given as 8:17. Calculate whatever you can calculate. I don't think we can calculate much. I don't think we can calculate much. And I'm regretting my decision of getting rid of those zeros because of this 100. So do one thing now. Multiply everything by 100. Because I don't want to calculate like this. Okay? Because I want to calculate a little bit better like that. So I can cancel by a 2 as well. 6. So my ratio becomes 600 plus this is 1200 minus 12p, sir, divided by this one. 15 fives are 75, 750 plus 1800. Just a second. 50 and 80 and 17, 18 and 7 is 25. So it will be 2550, sir. That is equal to 8/17. So this will cancel actually. 17 ones are 17, 85 fives are this. This is gone, sir. Yeah, it's not very difficult. 1800 minus 12p, it is going to be 8, 12, 15s are 120 and a 0. This and this, it will be 600. So p becomes 50, sir. P, the value, this is 50, sir. Calculation was a little on the trickier side, but again, not very difficult. Again, you see, every 5-6 questions after, we are getting one question which is a little on the calculative side. But again, I will say that's a good thing actually. That's a good thing. You should expect. You should expect this. Perfect, everyone. Next one, please. Sir, minimum discount scheme. Sir, 20 and 10%. Again, you should directly now say 28%. Again, if you don't know, I'm showing you. A plus B minus A into B by 100. That's how you get 28%. Discount of 28%. Both are same. Meaning these two cannot be the answer. Buy 5 get 1 free. 1 free out of total 6, which is 16.66%. 1 by 6. So 2 out of 7 plus 2, 9. That is equal to 22.22%. So minimum discount is 100%. The statement C, which is option number D, sir. which is there in option number D, sir. Without fail. Without fail, option number D is 100% your correct answer. Done, sir. Simple one. Simple one, sir. This was a really simple question. Next one. CGL. So I guess you cannot see this. CGL must prepare 40 liters of an acid solution of strength this using 30% acid eraser alligation. 30%, 80%. The resultant must be 45%. 15 here, 35 here. So ratio must be how much, sir? 5 threes, 5 sevens. 7:3. So total is 10 parts. 10 parts is total is 40 liters. So total 40 liters, meaning, sir, 10 parts. So every part is 4 liters. So this is 3 fours are 12 liters. And so 3 sevens are, 4 sevens are 28 liters. Now question, 80% acid, meaning this will be the answer. 12 liters, option A, sir. Option A, 12 liters is the answer for this. Simple question again. Keep it simple. Again, if you want to make equations, make equations. If you want to do something else, do something else. But again, I feel alligation will be the best one here. Has more area, okay? Equilateral triangle of this. Sir, I don't need to do this, sir. This will have much more area because the side is much higher here. The triangle, but again, if you want to just do this, root 3 by 4 into a square meaning 36 into 3. So 27 root 3, sir. Sir, diagonal is this. So side will be, sir, 3 root 6 by 2. Area will be, sir, again the double of that. So 9 by 4 into 6. So 100% this is much greater. Option number A, sir. Option number A for sure, sir. Option number A for sure has a greater area, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Again, let's move on. Let's move on, sir. Let us move on, sir. Value of K, if they are collinear, sir, collinearity you can check either by slope or by area. Let's do it by area, sir. Sir, area, so collinear meaning the triangle that we can form using these three points will have a nil area. So how to find the area of a triangle, sir? Write it down. Write down the first one once more, right? So area of the triangle will be half into modulus 2k. So again, cross multiply. So 2k minus 12 plus 18, sir. Minus, again the other cross, 12, 6k minus 6. 12 plus 6k minus 6. This must be 0, sir. So half gone because 0 into anything is 0. Modulus also we don't need. 2k plus 6 minus 6k, and this is plus 6 meaning minus 6 is 0. So minus 4k is 0. So k must be equal to 0, sir. So option D is the correct answer. Option D must be the correct answer. Again, this is only one of the methods. You can also do this by slope. You can also do this if you want by slope. If you want to do it by slope, somebody, how to do that? So slope of AB must be equal to slope of AC. Slope of AB, sir, K minus 3. Again, I'm showing you that as well. By 4 minus 2. Take A and C. Slope of this minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. And sir, 6 minus 2. That is 4, sir. K minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So again, minus 3 cancels. You see over here also, you get k equal to 0. Again, both the methods work. Again, if you are Comfortable like this, do it like that. Comfortable like this, do it like that. Whichever you guys prefer. But again, I'll say learn both. Nobody knows which can become handy. Sir, next one, please. Anuj sold a watch to Shivam to gain 30%. Shivam to Harshit at a loss of 15%. Harshit paid this much. Sir, what is the total, like at least to have an idea so that I can use this options again in these situations now, because only two hand changes are happening, use the options to your advantage. So plus 30, loss meaning minus 15, minus then so around 10.5% change. 22 meaning, sir, Anuj will pay around 2000 rupees because 2000 and like 10% on the top of that will become around 2200. So again, option B only has, you see, so 100%, this can never be the answer, cannot be the answer. This is too low, sir. So there is only one option which can like be close to the answer. So I don't even have to do the entire question. Done and dusted, sir. Done and dusted. Next one, relative speed. This much again, time taken, meaning they are asking us, don't do anything. Distance by relative speed, sir. So chasing meaning same direction, relative speed will be minus. So 16 is the relative speed, 16 kilometer per hour. This is in meters. So again, 5 by 18, convert this. So meter, and this is a second. Sorry, this is in meter per second. So my answer will be in seconds. So how to convert that? By 60 if you do, you will get it in minutes. Now again, why did you, sir, change it to minutes? Because all four options are in minutes. That's the reason. Chalo, calculate. 1600. So 18 will go up. This is 3. So 18 by 3, meaning 6 minutes. That's your answer. Option D, sir. Option D once again is your correct answer. Again, should not take you more than 20-30 seconds max. Next one, please, sir. Sir, sequence series. Again, maybe in the crash course I was doing it on the Saturday itself. Sir, VN method question. Sir, first term and last term remains. But again, here, trick is, sir, please, you see, if you do this, gap is 1 here, gap is 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 2. So this term will become root 2 minus 1. This will become, sir, root 3 minus root 2. This will become, sir, root 4 minus root 3. Similarly, this will become root 100 minus root 99. Sir, you see, this cancels. This cancels. This will also cancel. Minus means it will cancel. So remaining will be this one and this one, which is 10 minus 1. So my answer will most likely be 9. Not most likely, it will 100% be 9. You see, again, use your imagination. Use your imagination. Again, not a difficult question at all. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. The cost price and selling price, this. Acha, faulty machine, 35% profit. X is this 1000 grams of wheat cost price. And the machine is changed, which shows 1000 grams instead of 900 grams. Okay. Acha, then what is the CP of 900 grams? So 900 grams CP will be 9 by 10 of X. Because 1000 grams is X. So 900 grams CP will be 9 by 10. Now, they want to have the same 35% profit. Acha, in that case, then SP will be 35% on top of that, meaning 135 by 100. Acha, this calculation will be a little tricky. Again, don't try to cancel. Keep it like this, because look at the options. Every option has after decimal 3 digits, and we have 3 zeros. So don't put your hands here. Just multiply 135 into 9, meaning 1350 minus 135. 15 here, 12 here. So 1215x. So 1.215x will be the correct answer. Sir, option A. Again, this was not a question of a dishonest dealing as well. It was a simple question. It was a simple question. Instead, because he is getting 900 grams, so again, the SB will be calculated on 900 grams only. Simple question, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on to the next one. It is what? Right angle triangle ABC. AB perpendicular to BC. Okay. So this must be B. 90. BD is A. Acha, sir. This is D. Okay. BC is 40. This is 40 centimeters. AC is 41 centimeters. Now again, sir. Many people will miss this because this is not a very common triplet. 40 and 41 is a part of a triplet. So the other part is 9, sir. 9, 40, 41 is a triplet, sir. You must know this. Right? They're asking BD. Sir, BD is very simple because BD comes from what? There's a property which you can draw, like from taking areas. Sir, if you take BC as base, so area of the triangle will be half into base into height. Now again, if somebody says, no, sir, I'll just turn the triangle like this and make AC the base. In that case, half into base is AC and height will become, sir, BD. BD will in that case become height. So this is a simple property. Ki BC into AB or AB into BC is AC into BD. Just put in the values what you know. Sir, BC is given to you as 40. AB is given to you as 9. AC is given to you as 41. You need BD. So BD will be 360 by 41. 4 nines to nahi jayega, 8 point something. So there is only one option with 8. That is my answer. That has to be my answer. Again, not difficult. Not difficult, sir. And remember this trick. If you don't want to remember formulas, at least remember the concepts. Those are very important. Done, sir? Chalo. Last 5 questions. So sorry. Just a second. Just let me have a sip of water. Achha, can you guys do this without pen and paper? Seven years this than compared to 5 years. Sir, 1.3225, meaning interest is 32.25%. Can I say this? Interest extra is 32.25%. Look at the options. Which in 2 years, because 7 years and 5 years, 2 years, which option gives you 32.25%? Sir, close your eyes and say 15%. 15 plus 15, 30 plus 15 square, 225 by 100. Sir, you don't need pen paper for this. All you need is concept. All you need is a little bit of concept. Clear, everyone, sir? Moving on. Contractor hires 36 men for work, 3/4 of the work 15 days. Achha, after that, they stopped. Okay. 25% of the total work is destroyed. Okay, sir. Achha, 36 men will work for 15 days and they will complete 3/4 of the work, sir. Correct? This is their, again, I'm not using M1 D1 by W1. I don't really use that form. So they are completing 3/4 of the work. Okay. But again, what happened? Now 25% of the completed work, meaning 25% of this work is done. Okay, so do one thing. 1/4 of this. So again, total work, let's take 26, like 16 units. So meaning what I'll do, I'll now take this as 3/4. So 3/4 of this, meaning this is equal to 12 units. 3/4 of 16 units. So remaining was 4 units. But what happened? Some extra work we need to do. How much extra? Because 1/4 of this work was destroyed by rain. So 1/4 of this, meaning 3 units. 1/4 of 12. So meaning now again we need to do 7 units of work. We need to do 7 units of work, sir. Now who will do this? 6 men fall sick. Total 36 men were there. Now there are only 30 men. Right? Work of stock. Achha. Sir, find the time. Sir, again, time I don't know. I'm taking T days. Again, he'll say, sir, then how to proceed from here? If you are not using formulas, sir, can you do ratio? If you can, that will be enough. Do this, sir. Sir, 6 6s are this, 6 5s are this. 6 2s are 12. 5 3s are this. So again, T becomes 21 by 2. Huh. Meaning 10. Acha, हाँ, option है, sir. 10 whole 1 by 2. Option D, sir, option D. I thought we'll get an integer. I thought we'll get an integer. But again, you see, we got option D. But again, if somebody from you guys are comfortable using this formula, do that. But again, whatever you do, please calculate this, the work part, like this. Don't try to put 3/4 and 1/4 because there is a condition given. So please do this carefully. Otherwise, you'll make a mistake. Otherwise, you might make a mistake, sir. Okay. Next one, sir. Next, sir. This one, let's see. X square plus this. I need minus. Acha, that means from here, I need x minus 1 by 2x. Acha, sir. So minus I need, meaning I'll need, this will be 6, sir. Then you'll say, how, sir? How? First of all, this will be 37 n square minus, but the problem is that if you do n square minus 2 and then you take the square root, it is 35. But sir, there is this 1 by 2. So this if you do, so this is 36 and hence you are getting this. Now if you know this, then this will be what? N cube. So this is minus, meaning it will be plus 3n. But sir, here again you need to multiply this one. 3 into 6 into 1 by 2. 216, 225, sir. That's your answer. Sir, option D. Option D, 225 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, sir? Again, a little like play with your one variable. Again, this type of questions were very important the just concluded year of CGL. So again, please practice the last types very like well. Sir, next one. Cot 66 degree. Okay. Sir, sine 24 I can take common as well. So sine 66 we're having. And sec 24, meaning this will be cosec 66, right? I'm using the concept of simple complementary angles, right? Sec and cosec, they are complementary. Now sine square was there, so I've taken out one sine, so one sine 24 is there. So sine 24 I'm writing. Again said this sec 66 I can write as cosec 24. Again the same concept of that complementary angles. Write it down, tan square 24 and say tan 66, meaning cot 24. So this one and this one square gone. This is gone. Sir, cot 66, I can write this as tan 24. This and this gone. So this is gone 1, this is gone 1. Your answer is 1 plus 1, 2, sir. Your answer is option 2, option number C, 2. Correct answer. Done, sir. Done, done, done. Not difficult. Not difficult at all. Not difficult at all, sir. Next, sir. Next one, please. Chalo. Sir, this is not a very difficult question. Looks very scary, that's all. So this is yz, and this will be y square minus z square. Please try to identify the pattern into. This is zx, and this is z square minus x square into, sir, xy, x square minus y square. Here, x square y square into z square x square, so z square minus x square into y square z square. Done. So this cancels, and you see yz, zx, xy, and it will get cancelled with every squares. So again, my answer will be xyz whole square, sir. So meaning option A, sir, x square y square z square. X square y square z square, sir. Because you see, I'm having 2 of each left. So that's your correct answer, option number A. That's your correct answer, which is option number A, sir. Now, this was your live mock analysis for this week. This was the last question. Now, before I go, one good news that I wanted to share with you. This is our CGL topper list for this year. Again, I'll be out of the way because I'm not one of them. So please look at, this is the, like we're pleased to announce this. So year 1, 3, 4, 6, 14. You can see this is the success list. And this is just the toppers. Again, we have so many other results as well. Again, the messages are still pouring in. Honestly speaking, I'm also getting so many messages personally and in our groups as well. Right? So I just wanted to share this with you guys, all of you guys, like the success that we were able to kind of bring into like to all of you guys, to all of you, your families as well. So again, join us to celebrate them, to congratulate them. So thank you everyone. This was all for this week. Again, I'll come back on Thursday with the 2D mensuration class, the second part as always, and we will take it up from there. Again, thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye everyone.